Big news as Japan is increasing their acceptance to cryptocurrencies. A new partnership has been announced and Jasmine just keep on building that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I strongly believe that just has the potential to 100x from this position, if not even saw leaps and bounds to reach the price of $1. Tell me you're constrained down on the remarks underneath, and if it's not too much trouble, make certain to do your own examination. Presently setting to the side the turns of events and development happening inside Jasmine itself, Japan's economy is developing and apparently rapidly turning out to be more crypto-amicable. As we can see here, Japan's Public Duty Office has reported that undiscovered additions from crypto gave organizations themselves will never again be burdened to make it simpler for crypto organization to direct business. In Japan, this obviously is no joking matter for the ventures in general, yet particularly for Jasmine. As Jasmine began and is in Japan and furthermore the first crypto to at any point pass Japanese guideline, this is an enormous, gigantic arrangement. This will make the movement and development significantly really encouraging and bullish. Not likewise to make reference to that Japan is set to ease movement exchanging and to permit up to 10x influence exchanging by the following month, at some point in July. This comes from Bloomberg themselves as a meeting directed with the Bad Habit executive of JVCEA, otherwise called Japan Virtual and Crypto Resource Trade Affiliation, the Bad Habit director being Genki. Should this happen as expected, and should this 10x influence work out as expected, then, at that point, this will draw in considerably more dealers and would permit the market to flourish significantly more so than it as of now is. Once more, an extremely bullish feeling that could come to Jasmine. The world news however doesn't stop there. As we can see here, Japan stocks are thundering back up, and afterward more thus, Hong Kong has opened up as another worldwide center point for Web3 Web of Things improvement action. These are promising and bullish finishes paperwork for Jasmine as the districts are beginning to help their goal to an ever-increasing extent. Furthermore, with the improvements happening inside Japan and different pieces of Eastern Asia, it is inevitable, until their impact spreads to the remainder of the Western world and because of the turns of events and organizations that Jasmine has, this will additionally help their development and reception. As we can see here, there's another new organization that has been reported, Settle Money, which is an open political for building the cutting edge. Decentralized chance and loaning arrangements back by pay and receivables have now organization with JVP. Presently this may not be as great or as large as their new next go organization, however it's a vital venturing stone regardless, cementing and construct the establishment to turn into the following force to be reckoned with crypto by giving decentralized information security web of things. PDL individual information storage spaces. See many individuals which might be you, might be me, a significant number of us. Underrate Gaddy's business associations and use cases. Their establishing colleagues recently filled in as the main part, chief, CFO of Sony as a result of this extremely key organization and association. If vital, Jasmine will reappropriate improvements to the Sony group, which is large and will additionally help their turn of events, so ought to simply be fall excessively far behind. They can depend on Sony. They have various tip-top and promising individuals in their group. They additionally have associations with banks. Additionally, being the first controlled digital currency in Japan places them on favorable terms and cooperates with the Japanese government itself, to which if you have any desire to see more about that association then I would strongly suggest watching this video that I made on Jeremy previously. However at that point there's their utilization cases. They have fan tokens, the blockchain PC, which I said in my past video with north of 20,000 buys as of now, and it emerged toward the start of June. They had the Jasmine Labs also, thus significantly more. As I see Land and Water Proficient says here, we will be generally stunned when every one of the mysteries are profited and simply be soared into the top 150 crypto undertaking ever now can simply be really arrived at top 50. That is the issue. Well, the way things are accepted is conceivable on the grounds that at present as per CoinGecko just to be sitting at 159th while being door kept and kept down by CZ by purchasing that and put into the advancement zone. So envision the development. Infusing business sector whenever Jasmine is eliminated from the advancements and can take off large amounts with nothing keeping them down and their childhood cases work out as expected and show exactly the way that promising this venture truly is. Presently the way things are at the present time, just once in a while creating and growing their arrive at increasingly more as they are going to the greatest and best crypto highest point which is being held in Kyoto, Japan. I accept this as one of the most encouraging smasher projects out there today, with genuine use cases, major areas of strength for an associations supporting them. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date, thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.